Your ads suck, and if you don't want them to suck, this is just the gig you were looking for. My name is Stefan and I'm a content creator and a video editor. While working with hundreds of clients over the years, I've mastered my skills of editing high-performing ads for social media. With the power of video editing, I can help you double, triple, or even quadruple your conversions. Just send me the footage, let me do my magic, and enjoy those numbers shine. Best part, if you contact me now, I'll deliver the final video within 24 hours. So, get in touch and your ad will be looking just like the video you're watching right now. Hey, Stefan here from the future. I just want to let you know that the workload in the last few weeks has been absolutely crazy. So I decided that I will be raising the price of the standard style to $250 and the price of the advanced style to $375. And if you see anything more than 10 orders in queue, that probably means I'll be raising my rates very soon, likely any day now. And don't say I didn't warn you. You already know what you have to do, so message me now and let's get started.